Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix update server down Valorant error. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. So there's a few things you can do. The first one is to set time and date correctly. So just go ahead to your time and language settings and date and time and set your time zone automatically, and also make sure it is set up correctly. After that, you can go ahead and check with which DNS it works the best and has the lowest ping. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open up command prompt. So CMD, just write that down on the search bar and open it up. After that, you will be redirected to this page where you want to write down ping for 1.11 and 1 and click enter. And then you will see the average ping, and you can see it here. After that, you can write down ping for another one, so it would be all the 8s, and as you can see it is better with 1111. So you want to go ahead and apply these settings to your DNS settings. So to do this, you need to go to network and internet settings on your settings right there. Go ahead, open up your Wi-Fi just like so and edit your DNS. So manual IPv4, and then you want to write down preferred DNS. So just like so, you're gonna write down that and alternate, and you're gonna click save. Now another thing you want to do is go ahead to status.riotgames.com, and here you want to check the status of your Valorant server. So if there's any issues in your region, they will be listed there. So you want to click continue here, and as you can see there is no recent issues or events to report. If there will be any, you will see them here. Now, another thing you need to do is verify your game files to ensure that they are up to date, along with making sure no files are corrupt. So go ahead, open up Riot Client, then go on your account and on settings. And from here, you will see repair option. So you want to go ahead and click on that. Now, another thing you can do is use VPN. So if you are not doing that, you can go ahead and try out it with VPN. And after that, it should fix your problem. Now, in the loading screen, it will say that you need to restart your game client. So once you have done that, so if you will see that option when you will launch Valorant, and it will say that you need to restart your game client, then don't press quit game, just press logout button and then sign in again. So basically just like so, you're gonna sign out and then sign in again, and after that you can go ahead and play. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.